Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Mobile Legends properly. To begin, focus on understanding your chosen hero's unique abilities and passive skills. Mastering these is crucial for effective combat and farming. Remember, last-hitting minions grants you additional gold, which is vital for purchasing powerful items. Always keep an eye on your minimap. It provides critical information about enemy movements and potential ganks. Prioritizing your item build will significantly boost your hero's power throughout the match. Next, let's talk about hero selection and team synergy. Choosing a hero that balances your team's composition is key to victory. Understand that each role, such as a tank or a mage, has distinct responsibilities and objectives on the battlefield. Be flexible with your item builds, adjusting them to counter the enemy's strengths and weaknesses. Effective communication with your teammates, using quick chat or pings, will lead to more coordinated and successful engagements. Now, let's discuss map awareness and objective control. Securing jungle buffs, like the red and blue buffs, provides crucial advantages for your hero. Your primary goal is to destroy enemy turrets, which opens up pathways to their base. Controlling major objectives, such as the Lord and Turtle, grants powerful team-wide buffs and gold. Remember to constantly rotate between lanes, assisting your allies and applying pressure across the entire map. Finally, let's cover advanced tactics and teamwork. Always look for opportunities to initiate teamfights when your team has a numerical advantage, perhaps 5 versus 3. Protecting your primary damage dealers, like marksmen or mages, is paramount during critical engagements. Consider split-pushing lanes strategically to force enemies to divide their attention, creating openings elsewhere. Consistent practice is essential to refine your mechanical skills and develop a strong game sense, leading to more consistent victories.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.